ഹായ് ഫ്രണ്ട്സ്, വെൽക്കം ടു മൈ ചാനൽ. PSC നടത്തുന്ന KCRDB എക്സാമിൻ്റെ സിലബസിലുള്ള ഫിനാൻസ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ആയിരുന്നു നമ്മൾ പഠിച്ചുകൊണ്ടിരുന്നത്. ഇന്നതിൻ്റെ 4ാമത്തെ ക്ലാസ്സാണ്. മുൻപുള്ള 3 വീഡിയോസ് കണ്ടിട്ടില്ലാത്തവരുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ അവർക്ക് വേണ്ടി ആ വീഡിയോസിൻ്റെ ലിങ്ക് ഡിസ്ക്രിപ്ഷൻ ബോക്സിൽ കൊടുത്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. അപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് ഇന്നത്തെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് നോക്കാം. Basic objectives of cost accounting is dash. Cost ascertainment. Direct cost incurred can be identified with dash. Each unit of output. Overhead cost is the total of dash. Answer: all indirect cost. Overhead cost is the total of all indirect cost. Imputed cost is a dash. National cost. Imputed cost is a national cost. Operating cost is suitable for dash. Service industries. Operating cost is suitable for service industries. Cost classification can be done in dash. Several ways. A GSTIN has dash characters. 15 characters. JIT is a modern technique of dash. JITയുടെ full form just in time. Answer: inventory control. Just in time is a modern technique of inventory control. VED analysis is a suitable inventory control method for. Answer: automobile industry. Debentures repayable after a fixed period of time are called dash debentures. Redeemable debentures. Debentures constitute dash capital of the company. Answer: borrowed. Debentures constitute borrowed capital of the company. Revenue is recognized before cash is received in the case of. Answer: accrued revenue. A financial record of the financial activities and position of a business entity is called dash. Answer: financial statement. Dash capital of a company can be called up only in the event of wind up. Reserve capital. Reserve capital of a company can be called up only in the event of wind up. Voluntary return of shares by shareholders to the company for cancellation is called dash. Surrender of shares. Capital budgeting deals with long-term decision. Capital budgeting deals with long-term decision. Mezzanine financing is an. Answer: venture capital financing. In capital comparison method, a profit or loss is ascertained by preparing statement of profit or loss. Share issue expense is shown as a deduction under the heading Answer: reserves and surplus. The capital that is subscribed by the public is known as subscribed capital. Redemption of debentures means dash of liability on debentures. Discharge. Redemption of debentures means discharge of liability on debentures. Biological asset appears as dash in statement of financial position. Answer: non-current asset. Cost of sale is deducted from revenue from operations in order to get gross profit. Debt to total asset ratio can be improved by answer: redemption of debt. Ratio of net income to number of equity shares known as earning per share. Ratio of net income to number of equity shares known as earning per share. Suppliers and creditors of a firm are interested in answer: liquidity position. Gross profit ratio for a firm remains same, but the net profit ratio is decreasing. The reason for such behavior could be answer: if increase in expense. If the inventory turnover is high, the working capital requirements will be dash low. If the inventory turnover is high, the working capital requirements will be low. Process of financial planning ends with answer: comparison of actual with projected. Capital budgeting decisions are irreversible.